In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to N8n in just 5 minutes. Whether you're automating data entries or building more complex workflows, connecting Google Sheets can streamline your processes significantly. So let's dive right in and set it up together. First, you need to log into your N8n account. If you're new to N8n, it's an open source workflow automation tool that's great for integrating different applications. Once you're logged in, you should see your dashboard where all the magic happens. Here's where we'll create our workflow. Next, it's time to set up a new workflow. On your dashboard, look for the option that says Create New Workflow. Click it, and this will open up a blank canvas where you can start designing your automation. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first with all the options, but don't worry, we'll focus just on getting your Google Sheets connected for now. Now that your new workflow is open, you need to add a Google Sheets node. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see an option for adding nodes. Click on this and a list of possible nodes will appear. Look for the Google Sheets node in this list. Once you find it, drag and drop it onto the canvas. This node will be the part of your workflow that communicates directly with your Google Sheets account. Once your node is on the canvas, the next step is crucial, setting up the credentials. Simply click on the Google Sheets node and you will see an option labeled Credentials. Click on it and then click Add New. From the options available, select Google Sheets OAuth 2 API. This is the bridge that will safely connect your N8n workflow with your Google account. Now let's connect our accounts. Click the Connect button that appears after setting up the credentials. This action will prompt you to sign in with your Google account, so go ahead and do that. If prompted, allow N8n to access your Google Sheets, which is necessary for the integration to work. This might sound a bit technical, but essentially you're just giving N8n permission to read from and write to your Google Sheets so it can help automate your processes. And there you have it. Once you've successfully logged into your account and allowed access, your Google Sheets node should be all set up and ready to use within N8n. Congratulations, you've just connected Google Sheets to N8n. You can now start building and customizing workflows as you see fit, using Google Sheets as an integral part. I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Thanks for watching and happy automating.